In this video today, I want to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars by just copying and pasting the videos. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Step number 1. Come over to the YouTube, take a video that is not even yours. Step number 2. Download that video by using this software over here. Step number 3. I'm going to show you how to come over to this underground website, paste this video and get paid. I even got a bonus for you. I want to show you a niche that's absolutely blowing up on this platform and you can get started today. This is Manoj Rane and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. Now let's get started. So today I want to show you how to use this site called rumble.com. There is a lot of craze coming about this website because there are a lot of people that are coming on here. They are posting this different type of videos and they are making money every single day. When your video goes viral or get a lot of views, you stand a good opportunity to make a lot of money online. This is super simple copy and paste videos that aren't even yours. But there is a one niche that you need to make sure that you are doing this in order to make some really good money. So the first thing that you need to do when you are on this platform is you want to come over here and you want to sign in. When you click onto the sign in button over here, you can see that you can sign in using your email address and your password, or you can sign up to Google. I'm going to sign up now and show you exactly what you need to do. So very quickly I created an account for myself on Rumble. Now I'm going to show you exactly what niche you are going to use, how you are going to get these videos up there, and a few hints and tricks you can use to make some really good money. As you can see here, people are getting paid constantly on this platform. When you come over here to this menu section over here, if you hit these three little lines, you come down here. This is the first step that I am going to give you. You click onto the editor picks, and the reason why we are over here is you are going to see a theme of videos that are doing exceptionally well. These are the videos that I am going to show you that you are going to take to put on here so that you can make some really good money online. When you come over here, you can see that these videos have been uploaded a few days ago and it has been earning. When you start scrolling down, you are going to see a theme, and the theme that's noticing over here is that there are animal videos, pet videos and funny cat and dog videos. I'm going to show you how to get viral funny animal videos so that you can make some really good money online. Take a look at some of these ones that I have found over here. When you scroll down over here, you can see there are some videos that are making some really good money, making hundreds of dollars every single day. And as you can see, there is so many people absolutely crushing it. Remember, you can post as many videos as you want consistently. There is a limit of 5 per day, so just post 5 videos per day. Let me show you how you can do the exact same thing and get these viral videos so you can start making money online. What you need to do is, you need to come over to YouTube and you want to come over here and want to type in funny animal videos. Once you type in funny animal videos, what you want to do is, you want to come over here to filters, scroll down and click on to Creative Commons. Once you click on to Creative Commons, you are going to get all these different videos that you can use that are licensed for you to be able to use them. Now what you want to do is, you want to start downloading the ones that have millions of views. Now if you change this keyword over here and type in funny cat videos, funny dog videos, funny chicken videos, etc., you are going to find a variety of different type of videos. So from here what you want to do is, you want to simply click onto this video over here, and once you click onto this video, you want to grab this URL over here. Come over to this website right here. Basically this is a YouTube to MP4 downloader. If you go onto the Google and just search for the YouTube to MP3 or YouTube to MP4 download converter, you will be seeing a lot of results and you can just choose a site that will help you grab the video. So when you have opened the site, you can paste the URL of that video in here and you click on to convert. Once you click on to convert, just wait for a while, then click download. This is going to download this video onto your computer so that you can start uploading this video onto the Rumble. Once this video downloads, all you need to do is come back over to the Rumble, and this is where I want you to pay close attention. But before we proceed, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. So what you want to do from here is, come over to the green button and click onto that button. Once you click onto buttons, it's going to bring you over to the page that looks like this. So either you need to sign in your account or you need to verify your account. So as soon as you can verify your account, you are going to see this. Your account has been successfully verified. So when you come over here and click on to upload, it's going to bring you over to the page that looks like this. Now from here what you want to do is you want to upload the video that you have got earlier. Click on to upload this video. So look for that video and click on that for you to be uploaded. Now I am going to show you a couple of things that you are going to do over here to make sure that this video does really well. Remember, we got this YouTube video over here. So you can basically copy the title of the video, but I want to show you what some of these other videos are doing to make sure that their videos do really well. So if you come back and you take a look at some of these edited pics over here, you are going to see that they are trying to make their titles really interesting. So what I suggest you to do is come over back to the video you got on YouTube, watch the video and find out what's something that's appealing on this video and make that as your title. Just put something really interesting and funny and cute, so people would want to watch and see what that is all about. So over here you can very easily put a video description about this video. Now you can copy the description on your source, or you can easily put a description yourself. Over here you can put the tags. What you want to do is just type in something that's related to video that you uploaded. For this case you can put something like pets, funny animals or etc. For this part over here you can choose a thumbnail that you want to have for this video. Now you can quite simply just choose the one over here. From there what you want to do is when you come over here you want to click on to upload. Now I want you to pay close attention because I am going to show you a couple of things that you need to follow in order to make sure that you can make money with this. So once you have clicked on to upload, you have got a few licensing options. As you can see, if you hover over this little section over here, it's going to tell you exactly what this is going to do with the video and your potential in making money. Now as you can see here, video management exclusive, this over here, it means that the video is going to pay you, but it's also going to be shown on YouTube as well. Now we already know that this video is already on the YouTube, so you may want to avoid going back onto YouTube so that you don't get into any sort of issue with YouTube or Rumble. What you can do is show it only on this platform, and as you can see it's going to be excluded from YouTube. You still stand a very good chance and you are still entitled 60% of the net advertising revenue. So what you want to do is you want to select this over here. Now over here you have got some additional information. So who recorded or appear in this video. So all you need to do is come over here and just write third party recording, a Creative Commons video, and that way you can write is caps. Where and when was this video recorded. You can put all this information and provide either YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or Snapchat username, but it's really up to you guys if you want to do that. So come over here, you have not signed into an exclusive agreement with any other parties, and check here if you want to agree to the terms and condition. So after all that you can then come over here and click on to submit. Now once you click on to submit over here, you are going to see that this video is going to upload. So as you can see that's pretty quick, and then you can just click onto this and it will bring you to this page that says wait till your video finishes processing. When this video finish uploading, I will show you exactly what it looks like. So as soon as this will be done, you can play and you could see the video will start playing. Remember, you can upload up to 5 videos a day, and I recommend that you absolutely do that. Now I know a lot of you want to know how are you going to get paid, how are you going to make sure you get that money into your bank account. So what you want to do is when you are on the main page over here, what you want to do is come over here, click onto your name and click onto account overview. Once you click onto that, you can see these details. So once people start watching your videos and you start earning, you need to earn $50 to cash out. When you come over here and click onto cash out over here, you can see here you can change your details. Now as you can see, you are going to get paid through PayPal, but if you click onto this drop down box, you can also get through Payoneer here. So you want to select how you want to make money online, how do you want to get paid. Just fill in your details over here, and once you do that on the account overview, you are going to be able to see how much money you are getting, and it's going to go directly into your account. So from here all that's left to do is come onto the site, start uploading every single day, upload 5 videos, and potentially your videos could go viral. There is so much money that you can make, and you can start doing this straight after watching this video. And I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.